Frosty and fire safe on the lakes and hills and the mountains, we have much to celebrate. The God's great and wondrous mercy changes lives and makes us whole. So we live and sing our praises to thank God with all our soul. God brings home, fills life with joy. God brings home, dear King. When we gather around the table with our sisters, brothers, and friends, we experience the fellowship of love which never ends. We commit our lives to follow wherever Jesus leads. In the evening word and action, He is like the kingdom seed. God brings peace. God saves through. God brings peace here. The whole world is our parish, our neighbors always near. We reach out in lines of service, bringing them to the world here. Life and death and resurrection gives life as it ought to be. So we welcome all to join us in God's wondrous family. God is love, brings life.